Well, hello there. It's nearly Valentine's Day. You've been asking yourself,
what should I wear? What makeup should I put on?
Don't worry about it. I've got you covered. Today, we're gonna learn how to do this makeup look. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for such a silly intro. In today's video we're focusing on romantic theme. You know, it's nearly Valentine's Day and we need to get those looks going on YouTube. So today I decided to do my version of a makeup look for Valentine's Day, and it's very very out there, you know. Today we're obviously focusing on the eyes, and I think eyes are so important in, you know, going out and impressing your partners. We put some wispy lashes, some very bold bold eyes, and very glossy lips. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. I went hard with those locks today. Curly hair. I skip my base, as you can see, and there's a reason for that, just because I do it pretty much the same in every video I do. So I choose to use the products that I know work well and that are gonna last for long. If you want to see what I used in my base, you can check that in the link above. It's just a video that's gonna come up somewhere there. What I recommend for you is to use a foundation that is full coverage, lasts for long, and is definitely something that you trust and know is gonna stay there. So I don't want to waste any more time, and I want to scoop you in closer and start the eye look for today, because that's the most important part today. I'm not doing any boring natural looking stuff today. We are going full on glam. So let's jump right into my eyes. So for the eyes today, I'm going to be using this palette by Revolution. I am not going to even try to pronounce the name of this palette because I have tried to do it before and it was a fail. It's called Flawless Resurrection. Resurrection. It was a fail. I'm just gonna let you to read the name of the palette here. It's a really pretty palette to use just because it has many pink tones in there. As you can see, it has a lot of shimmers in the middle and has some bold colors at the bottom of the palette. And I think this palette is great for Valentine's Day. And hey, say hello to myself. Where am I? Is this me? Hey, this is me. I would like to start off with the base, and for the base I just want to use really light color. So in this case we're going to use this color and kind of set everything that we have already put on the face and create a base for brighter colors in the future. And for the next shade, I would like to use a transition shade. It's going to be great for future colors to blend together. And for that, I chose to use this color here. It's really pretty cool tone brown color, and just place that just above my crease. And the next color, I am going straight into this really beautiful rose pink color just in here. I'm gonna place that just the same, like if you can see, just above this crease, and blend it in. And now I want to use the same color and place this just here and here and kind of create the gradient for the future. You know, we're gonna go back into the same color and put it in the corners. And now using the same brush, I just want to go into this deeper, darker color, this color here, and place that again in the same space to make sure we deeper that look even more. So next thing I want to do is just use a concealer, kind of create that middle bit a little bit more brighter so the color pops up later on really nicely. You can use any concealer you want because doesn't matter. Whatever works well for you, you can use a concealer you put under your eyes. I'm gonna use the Tarte shade and put that where you already can see kind of guidance, but extend it even more and kind of line it a little bit more up there so the shimmers pop up really nice later on. Take your time with doing this because it is really precise work and you want to make sure you got it right. As you can see, it's just brightening it up a little bit. And while the concealer is still wet, you want to put the shimmer on it so it kind of sticks on it even better. For the shimmers, I'm going to be using this brush by Zoeva. It's called Look Smoky Shader. And I'm going to wet this with the Fix Plus by MAC. That allows the shimmers to stick to the brush even better and pop up later even like just insanely bright. So I put quite a lot on there. So I'm going to use this color, the rose gold color here as the start, and it picks up the brush really nicely, and we're just gonna pack that on top of our lid. And I want to use the next color. It's this really bright color. We're gonna use, oops, sorry. I'm gonna use this one and put that on top of the lid. When we got the middle, we want to go back into the same colors we used previously, which is this one I used at first. Now you just pack that on and kind of create the ombre effect. Okay, so this eye is pretty much completed. I'm just gonna do left eye off camera and then I'm gonna move on to lashes. And next, I just want to highlight the points of my eyes. I'm gonna be using the same color that we used previously, just this one. Put that in the corner of my eyes and just below the eyebrow. Now all we need to do is smoke our lower lash, and I'm gonna go into this brown color here, and that is just gonna be run on the lash line. And then you can just use that same brush you used for the really bright color and kind of run that really slightly under the lash line and connect the colors together. And for the lashes today, I decided to use the Ardell Lashes Wispies because we want to make sure our lashes are really wispy, very romantic, flattering. So we're just gonna put them on. For the mascara today, we're going to be using the Total Temptation mascara. I actually tested this mascara and it's really pretty good mascara, I'll tell you that. And it smells like coconut. And now we're moving on to our face, and today I decided to carry on the drugstore theme. So hello. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Glam Bronzer. Now we bronze up, we're gonna move on to our blush, and today I'm just gonna use the blush I use all the time. It's the Makeup Revolution blush in Treat, and we're just gonna make it all beautiful and pink. For the highlighter, I decided to go with, again, the pink colored highlighter. This is the MUA Undress Skin highlighter in Opalescent Amber. And now I just want to set everything in place. So I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus. Finally, we're going to do our lips today, and for that I'm going to start off with Matte Me in Birthday Suit. We're going to place that on our lips. And for the gloss, we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution gloss. I have no idea what the name of this is. It's just called Lip Euphoria. It is a really nice gloss that would go really well on top of this lipstick we got already. And here you have it. Our look is completed. I am living for this eye look. I think this is such a romantic, very bold, out there look. Really fun fact before you go, I used to not be able to say these, and I used to say Valentine's Day. Hey, you going for Valentine's Day? Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Have fun with your partner on a Valentine's Day. Hey, now I can say it. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had some fun watching this. I hope you did. Hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day and enjoy it with your partner. Have a lovely, lovely time, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.